Hello, in today's Model Corner we'll be looking at the Gemini Jets American Airlines Embraer ERJ-175 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this model comes packaged in a presentation box which has an image of the plane on the front of the box, which is identical to the one found inside, the model of the plane, the Embraer ERJ-175, and the company it ran with, American Airlines. So, on the back of the box we have another image of the plane, again identical to the one found inside, and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Okay, back to the front, you can open up, and there's a window showing the plane inside, so you don't have to take the plane outside of the box to see it. As well, on the lid, we have some information about the plane, such as history of the Embraer ERJ-175. We have some specification info, such as length, height, and wingspan of a real one in feet and inches, and some other information you might want to know, such as its seating, range, cruising speed, and things like that. Now let's open it up and have a look at the model itself. As you can see, packaged in a layer of plastic, and it should have a little plastic sheet on top as well. Open it up, remove the little plastic sheet, and there you have it. There is the model. You can see the classic American Airlines livery, although this one says American Eagle rather than American Airlines. And that is because American Eagle is actually a brand of American Airlines, mostly covering regional airlines. So this one will be a plane for a regional airline, which is pretty true for the Embraer ERJ-175 in general. Now, of course, Embraer itself is a Brazilian plane manufacturer if you are unfamiliar. I'd like to look at some of the details. You can see tons of details such as flaps, ailerons, you can see the wingtips. On the stabilizers, you can see the elevators, the rudders, as well as a very classic American flag on the vertical stabilizer. You can see the tons of details on the landing gear. Of course, you do want to be delicate with the landing gear. This plane is die-cast metal, so it is very sturdy, but smaller parts may be more delicate. You've got highly detailed engines. You see the cockpit. That's very nice. Turning it around. Again, same on this side. Let's also look at the registration. We've got N233NN with a little American flag next to it. Looking at the underbelly, got a Gemini Jets logo and tons of detail on that side as well. This model itself has a wingspan of about 6.5 centimeters and is about 7.9 centimeters long, and it's a very detailed, highly quality die-cast metal model of an American Airlines Embraer ERJ-175 in 1/400 scale, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.